Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to see how we can easily move data around inside of our Excel spreadsheet. Now, if we have a large amount of data that we wish to move somewhere else onto our spreadsheet, we can just highlight those cells for that data, then go up here to the top bar, place our mouse until it comes to the four-way arrow, hold down our left mouse key, and now we can just drag that data and we can place it anywhere on our Excel spreadsheet we wish to place it. I'll do a Control Z to undo the change. Now we can also move data on our Excel spreadsheet one row at a time. All we have to do is just highlight the row, go over here to the horizontal line of that row, wait for the four-way arrow, hold down our left mouse key, and we can just drag that on down and place that row where we want it to be placed. And again, I'll do a Control Z to undo the change. We can also move a column of data. All we have to do is highlight that column, and over here onto the left or the right of that column, we place our mouse, wait for the four-way arrow, and we hold down our left mouse key, and now I can drag and drop that data into a new column somewhere else inside of my Excel spreadsheet. Again, I'll do a Control Z. So other than doing a copy or a cut and paste, you now have seen the different ways that you can move data around easily inside of your Excel spreadsheet. I'm Professor K. Thanks for watching.